Love you all. Good morning. About to go on a walk. Then I'm going to go to Iroquois Park and hike to the top of the mountain. All in all, it'll take me about 2 hours. I'll take a picture from the top. Trailhead's behind me. Let's hit it. What's the deal with the mouthpiece, you ask? Try reversing 2 decades of smoking, trying to clear your lungs and increase your lung capacity. Remember, the goal is still to get as much oxygen to the brain as possible. Walking into the forest, I'm reminded that a tree, a plant, they all grow very quietly, silently. But when a large tree falls, you'll hear it. You'll know its life has ended. Now, as we progress up this hill, many of the trees that have fallen around me, they left this place. Nobody heard them fall, but their presence still lives. I acknowledge them right now for the life that they lived and the contribution to our breath, our way of life, and our nature. Thank you. Standing on the edge of the world. Now I suppose this is the fun part. Descending back down the mountain. Back to society and civilization. But every breath was worth it. Every step was worth it. We are among the trees this morning, breathing, praying, recentering, thanking God for all that He's brought into our life, all the people, and just like the leaves shed, those who had to go as well. God bless you.